SEO growth hacks, usability and UX. One of the most profound things that most people don't understand is longer landing pages convert better. I know it sounds fucking crazy, but the reality is if you look at ClickFunnels, one of the first really good conversion tools that just got acquired, by the way, they created these mile-long parallax, meaning one-page websites that allow you to understand a product being offered, and then eventually by the time you reach the bottom, hopefully you're convinced. The reality is Google is trying to find pages that have a ton of content that's hyper-relevant for a search term or user intent. Make really long landing pages and watch your conversions continue to go up. The reality is you need to make sure that you're adding different elements of that page, whether it's embedded video, images, infographics, or add in, of course, the CTA. That's the call to action, how we convert people at the very last second. My name's Taylor Ryan. I put out a ton of content. Like and subscribe. I run a growth hacking agency in Copenhagen, Denmark. Make sure to subscribe to see more of this stuff.